for this financial year, which started in June 2021, we have already connected over 50,000 customers, and we are en route to hitting 70,000-80,000 customers. This is, of course, is in line with the government's aim of universal access to electricity. At the moment, we are standing at 70%, and we want to cover the 30% who do not have power within the next 2 or 3 years. Some of the challenges that we face is in this county. One is vandalism. That has really become a major challenge, where our transformers, our lines, including fiber cables, are vandalized. We have received very, very good cooperation from our security agencies, the regional commissioner's office, the county commissioner's office, who normally give us police for patrol. But this is to urge our citizens, be vigilant. This is public property. It affects us, it affects you, it affects everyone. And if we can save it from this vice, we would actually do ourselves a very, very great favor by improving reliability of power, and eventually probably even leading to a further reduction of electricity charges.
Thina uria twinaguo muno thini wa Kiambu ni andu kurenga miti hakuhi na raini cia thitima, na marenga miti thitima maraini macio magatuika, na akorwo ni itingi ingi ikoinekanga, riu andu aya ingi magatigwo matari na thitima. No korwo customer itu na aria raini ciao igereire hakuhi miti hakuhi na thitima no magatwita, ithuĩ tukamoni tukahoria thitima ĩyo na tukamagitĩra matikegere ngero na thitima ĩyo, na andu aingi matikũrĩrwo ni thitima. Aria angĩ nao ni aria marenja barabara, nao magatiga handu ha kũrĩha thitima nigetha tumathengerie itingi, magatuĩka maraka magaka bara ikuhĩrĩirie muno itingi citũ. Itingi icio woka rũhuho ikagwa. Andu aria angĩ thĩna mũnene ni aria maraia transformer, makaia maguta, mageka maundu waganu wa ũrathoni mũru, tondu transformer ĩyo nĩ ĩracabu, ĩmwe ĩgacabu thibitarĩ, ĩgacabu cukuru, ĩgacabu gĩcagi kĩna, no rĩu thitima ĩyo moka maia transformer ĩyo, maroka kũruta tu tũmawaya twĩtagwo copper, tũnyamũ tũnini ona tũtangĩmateithia gũkĩmatongia nĩ ũrathoni.